Now I'm opening this so y'all can see what happens. These guys are going to be pissed because I do not have food with me. See? They're not sure why I'm here if I don't have food. Okay, you guys need to not go out. There's a dog out here. There's a dog out here. Ow, hey, stop it. Stop biting like that. No. Grouchy little bitch. You better stop. I'm not going to give you no grass if you don't quit. Here, take that. Be grouchy about that. No, come on, ladies. Come on, ladies. Back in. Back in. Ow! I'm not going to play with you. You better quit. Get your head back in there.